Hey guys, I got a new smoke alarm right there and a new fire alarm. The old electromechanical horn was like in this spot somewhere. That thing blew up and thankfully I got this one now. Here's all the devices I have. Here's my simplex 4901, 9822, my simplex 4939221, my simplex 4939290, and another one 9237, 9236, 9425, 9426. All these are 493s. 2099, another one of these are the 54, 9754, my system sensor MDS sync module. Now again in smoke alarms, here's my kit of voice and carbon monoxide and smoke. Here's my smoke. Both of these the same model, but first gen and second gen. Here's my little one of these, but smaller. Here's my family guard. First alerts, older, and the newer type. This one's smoke and carbon monoxide, no voice. Well, this one's very old. It's from 1977. Way older than me. These are that one, and that one. The plate. This one, the plate, because I converted it. This one's originally was electromechanical. This one's all these. This is from '94. This is my 1997. No, 1977, I mean. It's a Sears, and it has a squealer base to it. And this one died like a few weeks ago. Actually, died and start chirping because it had the 10-year warranty battery on there. And this thing does not work. It's dead. I tried to fix it, put more batteries in it. And the bracket's still in my sister's room, and hopefully I could get it one day. This thing is completely useless, but it's fine. And my white 493s and my red and my old smoke detector and my yellow piece of crap smoke detector. Well, that thing is yellow, 9221, but most of my detectors are white. And pull station sync module, horn strobes, horn. Thank you for watching. Bye.